How to warp and arch text in Canva. Let's go. After creating a new design, go to Apps and search for TypeCraft. Press enter. Open the app TypeCraft, and as you can see here, there's many stuff you can do with your text. Type in the text you want, choose a nice font. Scroll down to see the preview, edit shape, so you can see what you are doing. You have some mirror point options here. No mirror, horizontal and vertical. You can also change the text color and also the style. To warp and arch the text, we choose a mirror point style, for example, no mirror. If you click on one of these mirror points here inside the edit shape window, click them and hold it to drag it everywhere you want to change the shape. Play around and try horizontal, vertical, make it fit perfect for your logo or text style. If you made a mistake or you want to reset the shape, you see there's a small button down there to reset the shape and start again. If you like your design and you are finished, just press add element to design. If you forgot something or you want to change something afterwards, you can still do it by clicking on the text element. For example, changing the color or also the style. Just click on update element and voila. Alright guys, this is how you warp and arch text in Canva Professional. Thank you for watching and see you next time.